So, I myself and some others want to hear about Nerd.0. Would you mind telling us about it?
Yeah, sure. So Nerd.0 is a cosplayer-based group in North Carolina. We're based in North Carolina.
Oh,
It's ran by Sixth Raikage Six. He is the CEO.
cool. Okay,
So I guess
okay.
I'm the
Shout
first
out
lady.
to him.
And yeah, so it's a really fun group. Anybody, pretty much anybody can join, but it's a really positive group. Our mission is to make people believe that cosplaying is for everyone. To enjoy your craft whenever you do cosplay. And the slogan is "Be the best version of yourself."
Oh, come on, man.
So yeah, so we like doing events. We get invited to cons and different events. And yeah, we have different themed photo shoots. Like
Oh,
we
really?
had,
Okay.
I know Mortal Kombat's coming up, but we just had a Mortal Kombat photo shoot, and we had some other themes. Even like we have events where we go out to the town and just cosplay in public.
That's
Like,
cool, actually.
one time we had an old people night, so we all
Oh.
dressed like the elderly, and we painted the town.
That is
That was
actually
fun.
so cool. Because I feel like so many people only do it at a con, but
Oh no,
you
we
can
do it
cosplay
everywhere.
anytime, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty
so
cool.
if you're in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, you see a group of people dressed up, that's probably Nerd.0.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nerd.0, where can people find out more about it?
Okay, so we are on Facebook. We are also on Instagram. And yeah, normally if you just go on Instagram or you just type in hashtag Nerd.0, then it's easy
Okay.
to find the page. But we're both on Facebook and Instagram, and we got really big things coming.
Like what?
So,
Yeah, like what? We
I'm
want to
doing
know.
yeah, so we got invited to a cafe. Is like Japanese based, and they invite us to do that. And
Okay.
also, I'm not sure if you heard of Discovery Place.
It's not ringing a bell. What?
Okay, so it's like a children's museum. The museum is basically teaching kids about science and nature and things like that. But Nerd.0 actually got invited for the Marvel event.
Oh, nice.
Because we had a Marvel, shoot, and they invited us to come and to do that, and that was fun. We got to interact with the kids and the families. We were all dressed in Marvel cosplays, and it was really fun. So we like doing stuff like that.
That sounds pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. So if you need a cosplay group, hit up Nerd.0. We got you.
Nerd.0, good stuff. When will you all be in Atlanta next? Or when
That's a
things
good
next?
question.
Yeah, come to
That's a good
Atlanta.
question.
Yeah.
That's a good question. I mean, we travel. We're mostly in North Carolina,
I
South
understand.
Carolina right now, but we are willing to travel. So
Maybe
yeah,
we'll see you all at Dragon Con.
maybe.
Huh? Okay. Yeah.